Find or read reviews that people are talking of Noelle Marin manual Burr coffee grinder, 39mm CNC stainless steel Burr grinder, 25 to 30 grams capacity, solid metal body, commercial grade hand coffee grinder with ergonomic wooden handle. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose Noelle Marin manual Burr coffee grinder. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Seriously upgrade your home barista gear. If you care deeply about the taste and quality of your coffee, this Burr manual coffee grinder delivers a consistent grind with overall uniformity. Our coffee grinder is fast, simple and easy to use. Perfect for coffee lovers on a budget. Despite the lower price, a hand Burr grinder produces a more consistent grind size compared to electric models. This hand coffee grinder boasts commercial grade quality at an affordable price. Constructed with professional grade materials, Noelle Marin high-performing manual coffee grinder features a 39mm CNC precision stainless steel Burr set. Our coffee mill will give you perfectly ground coffee with no clumping or burning. Suitable for any brewing method, this Burr hand coffee grinder produces fine coffee grounds for espresso, medium for drip, extra coarse for French press and everything in between. Explore various tastes and pleasures with this manual Burr grinder. Durable, long-lasting, and comfortable to use, this Burr hand coffee grinder features an ergonomic mahogany handle seated in a ball bearing for enduring rotation performance. Our hand crank coffee grinder will give you years of balanced, smooth, delicious cups of coffee. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.